In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure global position point in KUKA robot. In KUKA robot, except home position is global point position, other teaching point are local in each sub-program. So let's start it. There are three methods to achieve this goal. How to configure global position point. So the first way should go like this. This configuration, user group, login, administrator, already logged in, password KUKA. And once you log in, go startup, goes rights management, find teach global position option. You find it, teach global points. Basically, this option is deactivated. You can choose whatever you need to activate. Basically, we choose administrator. Okay, once you choose it, let's begin. We open our sub-program. We open it. Remember, open it, not select. Select means running. Open means edit. You can edit, open it. And we add a motion command. Point 7. We click this. We click parameters. We click global position. Make point 7 as global point. We choose command OK. We choose OK. As you can see, point 7 already. Then where you can find this position data. Basically, all the teach points are stored in the data file, but global position points are not in this file. In system, in global points, you will find point 7. Declare global equals G means global. Point 7 stores here. Okay, and I'm gonna show you. We are gonna use point 7 in another sub program. Open it. We just add a command, motion command, and we can choose point 7. Sorry, I don't think it's successful. Let's do one more time. I delete, edit, okay. It shows point 7 already exists. As you can see, we taught before. So it shows you whether you need to override the position or remain the previous position. It depends on the real situation. Okay, you choose yes, the current position will override. If you choose no, then retain the previous, the first teach point 7 position. We choose no. Okay, command OK. No, then we already added, and I'm gonna add one more time. Command linear. shows point 7 already exists, means this is the global position. Okay, we choose no still. Okay, this is the first method, first way to configure global position point. The second way to configure global position point goes like this. Open a sub program. For example, we teach one position. We just add one position, 0.8 as a global position. We just touch up. Okay. Command OK. So we already teach 0.8 as a position point, and close it and open this data file. Open it, find, and we're gonna add it. We're gonna folder. This is the program name. We're gonna open the define line. We'll choose it. So the program name will show this data line will show this program line will show. Okay, edit view define line first, and we'll find 0.8. We just teach 0.8 is here. As you can see, this is the local position point, and we just add public here on the program name, means public, and we choose define this global, add global, means 0.8 will be global position point. We choose save it. Okay, and I will add it. And I will add it in this sub program. Open it. Okay. Motion. Okay. Shows, as you can see, this 0.8 already exists, already become global position. We choose override or not override, depends on the real situation. We choose no. Okay, one more time. Add. One more time. Already exist. We choose okay. No. So this is the second way to configure global position point. Okay, and there is the last solution to configure global position point. Should be go the system, find configure data. Remember, in configure data you define variable is global. Remember, I introduced in the KUKA training course previous video. We just open this, and we just choose user global. We can folder, we can open all the folders, and home position already defines here. I'm gonna go back. Okay, home position defines in the I introduced before. As you can see, home position, defines here. You can follow this structure. Define it here. For example, we define 0.9. Okay, we define 0.9. Sorry. sorry, 0.9. Okay, we define 0.9 as a global position in configure data, and the data, the position data for each axis, you can define it or whatever. This is the last option. You can define it. Once you define it, you choose save this change, and you can use it in the sub program. Open it. You can command, you can add position 9. Okay, as you can see, position 9 already existed. You choose override or not. Okay, so this is 3 methods to configure global position points in KUKA robot. So hopefully it's useful. Still, if you're a master of KUKA robot, ignore this video. If you are beginners, hope this basic commission and programming skills is helpful and useful to you. And see you next video.